Hello students, today we are going to start with Geography Lesson 1, India Size and Location. Students, known for its rich commercial and cultural heritage, India has been the home of some of the ancient civilizations of the world, such as Indus Valley Civilization. During last 5 decades, it has made progress in the field of agriculture, industry and technology. India has also contributed to the world history. Let us learn a little more about a country that is a blend of culture and technology. We start by locating India on the world map. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. Its latitudinal stretches 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitudinal stretch is 68 degree 7 minute east, 97 degree 25 minutes east. A study of the map shows that Tropic of Cancer at 23 degree 30 minutes north latitude divides the country into two equal halves. Now students, do you know that Tropic of Cancer is the northernmost latitude at which sun appears exactly overhead at noon? Now coming down, the countries extend towards south. Andaman and Nicobar are the extensions of India in the southeast, and Lakshadweep is in the southwest. So we see India is a big country, but exactly how much? What is the country's area? It is 3.28 million square kilometer, and total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Now, if we compare India's size to other countries, it is seventh largest country in the world. Now let's focus on outline of country in a map. Let us talk about natural features first. Youngfold Mountains cover northwest, north and northeast borders of the country. The total land boundary measures about 15,200 km. It is bounded by Bay of Bengal in the east and Arabian Sea in the west and Indian Ocean in the south. India's total coastline measures 7,516.6 kilometers. Students, do you know the southernmost tip of India, that is the Indira Point? It got submerged under sea in tsunami that struck in the year 2004. Now, looking in the map, can you guess which extent is larger? So, east-west stretch looks smaller, but if we measure, it is almost same, approximately 3,000 kilometer. It is this huge distance of 3,000 kilometers that cause a lag between local time of eastern end and western ends of the country. Now let us understand by an example. It is 6 p.m. evening in Gujarat where you live, and your friend is in Arunachal Pradesh and talking to him. Your friend mentions he is watching beautiful sunset. However, if you look around you, it is still broad daylight for you. How is it? As sun has already set where your friend lives, that is in Arunachal Pradesh. This is because of huge longitude of the country, that is huge distance between eastern and western end points of the country. This leads to time lag of 2 hours between local places. However, in practice, clock location will show same time because the entire country follows the standard time. India's standard time is the time along longitude 82 degree 30 minute east. This longitude passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. This longitude is referred to as the standard meridian of India. While India's longitudinal stretch gives rise to time lag between east and west. Its latitudinal stretch influences durations of days and nights. For example, duration of days and nights is same in Kanyakumari, which is on the southernmost tip of India. But as we move northward, duration of days and nights begin to vary. That's all, students.